Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites, age verification and account security, because Roblox blocks voice for unverified profiles. Once done, make sure your PC has the latest Roblox client and microphone drivers. Outdated software causes capture failures. Open Roblox, go to Account Settings, then Privacy, and toggle Voice Chat on. This is the first actionable step because without enabling the setting, you can't proceed. Enabling now lets the app request microphone permissions next. Next, you grant system-level permissions so Roblox can access audio. In Windows settings, go to Privacy, then Microphone, and allow apps to use it. This prevents silent denials. Then open Sound Settings to pick the correct input device and set the recording level so you're not too quiet or clipping. Once set, return to Roblox, accept the in-game microphone prompt, and join or create a party to test voice. This verifies both system and app layers are cooperating. Finally, you pick how you speak. Open mic for convenience or push-to-talk to control noise. Choose this in party voice settings because it affects behavior in every game. Make sure you know how to mute or block noisy users and adjust mic sensitivity if teammates say you're too loud. If voice fails, restart the Roblox client, recheck Windows and Roblox permissions, and test your mic in another app to isolate the issue. This narrows down whether it's Roblox, Windows, or hardware causing trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.